Let me show you how to change your Apple ID password even if you forgot it. Now, if you don't know your password, but you have your iPhone, or maybe even if you don't have your iPhone with you, I'll show you how to change it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, there are two different options you have. The first one is if you have your iPhone with you, though you forgot your Apple ID password, but you know the passcode to unlock your iPhone, you can always just reset it within the settings. But let's say you don't have your iPhone with you. I'm going to show you a second option that you can go to on any device using a web browser. So again, the first option is just to go into your settings and go to sign in and security. Now within sign in and security, you can see midway down is security, and change password is an option. Keep in mind, this change password is not the password you use to unlock your phone, but it's your Apple ID password, and you don't actually even need to know your old password if you forgot it. All you need to know is the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone. So if I enter in that passcode I use to unlock my iPhone, it gives me the ability to enter in a new password. It says new password, choose a new secure password. It has to be 8 characters, include number, uppercase letter, and lowercase letter. When you're good to go, just hit the continue button. However, let's say that doesn't work for you or you don't have that device with you. You can also just reset your password even if you forgot it on any web browser. So you can just get basically any device, borrow a friend's phone or something like that. Now on here, we're going to go to account.apple.com. And from here, you can choose to sign in. But of course, let's say we don't know our password. So we can't sign in and it's not working to use our Face ID or something like that. Now, all you need to do is start by entering in your email address. So I'm going to enter in my email address on here, and then log in and go through the process of saying I forgot my password. After you've done that, you can see I can change my password in here, but you can also go through the process of going to the sign in and security and then go to password. Now, let's say you didn't get to the point of being able to sign in. You never were able to go through that process. Keep in mind, you do have some other options. If you don't know anything else here, you can use the sign in with a passkey. If you have any other device, like another iPhone or an iPad or Mac computer, you can use that sign in with a passkey to be able to log into your account and then change the password even if you forgot it.